Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. Today I want to show you my new kettle, my new GoveeLife kettle that I use every single day for making my coffees, making my hot teas, and just like brewing and boiling anything actually that you want for any hot drink. But the good thing about this one, I'm going to show you with the app right here in a few seconds, is that goes for 1.7 liters. It is fully automatic, fully smart that you can operate with your smart devices with voice control. You can tell your Google device or if your Amazon Lexi just to say, hey, Lexi, and I'm not saying the name because you know it's going to pop up and do a mess. So, hey, say, Lexi, boil water in kettle at 190 degrees or something like that. And it's going to do it. By the way, I have a routine with this one. Like every morning, it puts the water in 190 degrees for me, 6:30 a.m. in the morning, and keep it warm for 30 minutes. So when I wake up, I have the hot water just to put my tea, my every morning tea. It's ready to go as soon as I wake up. 1500 watts, fully smart. Let me show it to you with the app. So we are here with the app, the GoveeLife app or the Govee app, which is super intuitive. As soon as you turn on the device, if you have the app, it's going to be auto added to your net of devices. And then we go to kettle right here. It's going to auto connect in just a little bit. And we have it set up for 190 degrees, as you can see over there, 190. And what we're going to do is we're going to just do this. Boom. And that's it. It is on and it's working already. It says heating and it's going to let you know in the app when it's ready to go, when it's already on 190 degrees. You can actually put it in, I think it was 212. Yes, 212 Fahrenheit, 34 to 212. And then you can actually add the different modes as you can see over there. You can also do the keep warm for up to 2 hours and you can run the schedule on each one of these ones and make sure that it's going to be ready every single morning as I have it. As I was just telling you before, as I have it for like every morning. This one is going to start boiling up. Right now, it's ramping up at an 86. And you have the mode selections over there, the temperature selection over here, and the on and off. Right now, it's an 88. Keeps going. Easy to use, easy to operate. Voice control, app, or manual buttons. 100. It's a 92 already going fast. This thing is awesome. Get ready to have your water hot every single morning of your days.